Okay, so whenever we have something like this and we want to make some type of creative sign, this is for a baby, for a newborn. Whenever we want to get a new shape, like a butterfly or a bug or an animal or anything like that, we go to a program, and it's online and it's very cheap and easy to use. And I'm going to show you where it is. Okay, so the site is called KITTL.com. And when you go here, we're going to create a new project. And when the setting pops up to choose artboard size, I just click standard every time. Go to create. And then here's the cool thing. Go over here to the left and you'll see elements. Click on elements, and they have so many to choose from, like 100,000 different things to choose from. So you go up to the search bar, type in butterfly. I'm just going to give you an example. And there's so many butterflies. Oh, and by the way, to use KITTL, it's only $15 per month. So it's very cheap. Very cheap. And a lot of people don't even realize this hidden gem. Look how many hundreds of different butterflies they have. You can just keep going and going. Whatever type of shape you want, the striping, you can type in anything. So we know Christmas is coming up. So let's type in Christmas. There's so many different Christmas things to choose from. And then a couple more here. You know, Halloween just passed, so you type in Halloween. They have all types of things. Everything to choose from. Like this would be a unique, if you're making t-shirts or something, that's pretty unique. And then I don't think they allow you to just use the image how it is, so you have to add something to it. But if you simply just, you know, add, let's say we added something to it here in the background. This program is pretty easy to use too. Similar to Inkscape. Let's see here. Send to the back. And then let's make it like, let's make the opacity. You can make something very quickly with this program. So look at this. This owl. I'm telling you. So I'm going to show you now how to export this and then upload it in Inkscape as an SVG. So if we wanted to make some sort of owl Christmas ornament, this is how you would do it. So there's the owl. Now let's give it a Santa hat. Just look through all of them. Yeah, I like this one a lot. I like this one a lot. Okay. Go up here to download. Now you want to choose the file type. We need an SVG for what we're doing. Choose SVG, and then you can leave everything how it is. Click download. It'll go up top here. You'll see it has the Inkscape logo on it. I think that's, yeah, Inkscape logo. So what we'll do now is double click this, and it's going to automatically take us over to Inkscape and open this, and voila. Okay, so you'll go ahead and you'll download that, and when you click on this up here, it'll open in the Inkscape, and then you can do whatever you need to do to it. And we'll go over it next time in another video, how to turn this into an actual ornament. But for now, this is KITTL, and then you just use the search feature over here, search for what you're looking for. And for this, I wouldn't have to do anything to it. I would just import it into Inkscape, make it an ornament by using our square and our circle up here, and cut it out. Thanks. If you have any questions, comment below. Let me know if I can help. Bye.